Morning everyone. So this morning we're at a little Audi A2 with a flat battery. So you can see the voltage in the battery is 0.67. So I actually Rody watched Ivan's channel. What's his name of his channel again? Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. And on Ivan's recommendation, so we can blame Ivan, Trekpow 2500 amps. So this is a little jump charger here, so we're just going to connect it. See what our voltage jumps up to. Right. There we go, right Roddy. 14.5 volts. I think it gives that out for about 30 seconds. Oh, the alarms ain't off, eh? Cranking. Oh, we're away. We have life. So that worked a treat. So it gives you a good surgy voltage, this thing, unlike the one that I have. What is it called again? Oh, God, I remember. I'll show you in the edit.
GB, is it?
GB 170 or something. Can't remember.
70.
But what did you get this for, right? 90 quid?
£80.
80 odd pound. Amazon, right. So I'll find it for you and I'll leave a link in the description. So I suppose the testing time will be in the winter, but
that was 3 bars and that started 4 motors.
Alright, so you've already started 4 motors?
Aye.
Right.
And if it doesn't start with it, there's a wee button
Oh,
here.
that's right, this little reset button here that you press and it can give it another boost. So it only gives an initial 14.5 volts for 30 seconds and then you've got to reset it. So this seems to give all the power out at a winner so you can get going, so I think it's very impressive. I'll go and show you the one I've got. So there's the one I own. It's the Noco Genius Boost HD GB70. So the way this one works, I think you've got to leave that on longer, leave it on for a minute to allow it to charge the system, then you crank start it. So I got that out of Halfords, that was 170 quid. And then you got this Trekpow, which is less than half price, so I think this is a winner for the price. But as I say, it's all about the long term test. But certainly
2-year guarantee.
Oh, 2-year guarantee, Roddy's telling us, so that's brilliant because I only got a 1-year guarantee with that. And then it was Amazon, so any problems you just send it right back, so you can't say fair nap. So the car started and it's idling, so in fact what we can do, we'll stop it and we'll start it again with this thing and show you the voltage difference. So that's just stopped the car and you can see the battery is away down to 5 volts. So I'll connect the other one.
How do we start this?
So we'll put
Put that back.
put
See what we're at. Right, we're at
3 volts.
3 volts.
So we then got to turn this guy on. So he's flashing, he's too low because the voltage is only at 3.5 volts. So we then got to press this button here. Oh, is this flat? Oh, it must be flat. Well, there you go.
Well, the big mine's out.
Ah, that's right. Well, it says it's 100%.
So it does. Oh, right away, isn't it? So I'm up here.
Aye, we're at the right bit.
Isn't it? 100%.
So try the clamps again. Put it off. We'll try the override thing.
That's the battery. This battery.
Aye, that's
That's telling it's less than 25%.
You should be able to override that.
You should be.
That's 100% charge. So
We'll
start the override function.
Right.
We're on the right way, right? Right, then we'll connect it. Right, we want to start that, Roddy?
12.
So we're at 12 volts. There we go, we had to trick it. It did start, but no, it's not. I should have watched that bit.
Again.
Aye, go for it again, my man. There we go. It's still gaining power. There you go. We had to trick it, so I think the other one gives you higher voltage and it's less carrying on. Even at 0.6 volt, it just went to do the business. For this one, I don't know. Anyway, I think I'll spend my money on the power take rather than this. Anyway, cheers.